Hi everyone, it's Jen. I have been vlogging actually for the past few days, but I realized that I didn't actually film like a proper introduction, so hello again everybody. It is Jen. I am in Korea and I have been away for a long time, I know. I don't have like the leisure of like setting up really nicely and having time to film properly. So I'm gonna do this intro really rushed. My kids are waiting for us at the door. We're about to go buy Leo's birthday present because it's his birthday tomorrow. He's turning 6. We are staying in an Airbnb with like really beautiful camping furniture, with a lovely TV, and it's a very humble like apartment that we're staying in. Actually it's a nice apartment, but the furniture situation, like we're sleeping on this mattress on the bed and everything, but like we're still settling in. We've bought a place, we're renovating, and so we're starting to renovate from this week, from today actually. There's a lot of updates. I have been vlogging, but I didn't do the introduction, so this is the official introduction. I am back. I'm gonna start vlogging. We've moved to Korea. We were in Australia for 2 years, but we moved back and we are settling down, and I'll slowly share with you guys all the details as we go. But yeah, I hope you guys have been well, and thank you guys so much for all of your patience. I've actually met some of you here and there doing life, like in restaurants and things. Even in Brisbane, I saw some of you guys, and you have always been so lovely, telling me like, you guys have been so patient. It's okay, we understand, we're just waiting for you to come back. We know that you're busy right now with the 2 children. And yeah, it has been crazy, guys. I'm not gonna lie, it has been very full on. Like, life has been really full on. I have aged. My skin is saggier. I'm like, I have lots of age spots now, as you can see. Well, actually, I used to always have like moles, but it's the same thing. It's the same Jen. I'm just 2 years older, a few years older, and I have 2 kids, so life is very chaotic and hectic, and I have no time for myself. But I'm gonna try to start vlogging because I realized I can vlog with my phone now. It just suddenly came to me the other day, and I'm like, I'm really slow, but I realized I can, and that's why I'm gonna start doing it, because I don't need to set up everything with the DSLR and have everything perfect. But yeah, so we're in Korea, we're renovating our house. It's a whole journey, so I hope you guys are looking forward to my vlogs of life, just how things are going, renovation, house things if you're interested, Korea, parenting, my beautiful kitchen back there. I'll definitely share beauty things as well, skincare things that I've been liking, and yeah, just doing life with you guys. So I hope you guys are excited, and let me know. I just want to quickly show you guys my outfit today. Bad angle, very bad angle. So we have to go, but Will, could you just quickly film my outfit? This is my outfit. I just felt like wearing a skirt today. I usually just wear a t-shirt and like jeans, and then we're gonna go to the shopping center today to get Leo's birthday present, which William has chosen. I was kind of against it, but he says it's inevitable anyway. So we're gonna do that, and then see ya. Do you wanna say hi? Yeah, you're choosing your this. This is hot. It's a long sleeve. Look, are you sure? You're gonna be hot. It's really hot today. It's summer.
But I want a pretty dress.
You want a pretty dress? But then choose one that's not hot. That's pretty. This is pretty dress too. You guys like CL's pretty dress?
This one.
That one. It's hot.
No.
It's very
No.
Okay. And Leo, say hi.
Bye.
Come and say hi properly.
Hi. Bye.
No, it's my Everyone is new.
Hi.
And this is CL. And they're wild, guys. I'm not gonna lie, they're not easy. They're not easy. Ah! Let's choose a better dress for CL that's not hot, okay? I think she wants something pink. Who's going out first? And then later we're going to our apartment, and I'll show you guys how it looks right now. Going with the... Are you okay? CL, what did you do? Did you hit Leo? What do you do? What should you have hit him? No, we don't hit each other.
I want to say sorry to go all the way there, but I was faster than you.
But can you please say sorry to Leo? We're not going to go outside. That's not nice. No. So you shouldn't hit people. Do you understand? 빨리 가자.
빨리 가자.
일어나.
빨리 가자. 저 리얼.
Chaos. Okay, I have to pack my bag. See, I don't even get time to pack my
밑에
bag.
있네 여기 밑에.
I don't know which bags it's. I don't even have time to choose. Okay, we're going now. So our Airbnb is actually in the same precinct as the place that we bought. It's just a different building, and it's been really good because we can go there at any time. And like Will just went there right last night. What time did you go?
1 a.m.
1 a.m. Oppa, do you want to say hi as well?
Hello, it's been a while, hey. Yeah, we're in an elevator.
보이지 않지?
Wonderful, beautiful lighting.
Yes.
My beautiful face is demented, but
I
yeah.
chose the most flattering time to say hi.
Let's go. Honey, we have to go to Starfield here.
So we're going to a shopping center called Starfield, and CL is already going crazy, saying she doesn't want to go in the car. So yeah, we're going to Starfield shopping center, and then we have to come back by 8 o'clock. CL really wants to walk.
We're gonna walk.
She always doesn't.
Remember the shark?
CL is going through that stage.
Remember the Shark Tank?
She wants her opinion.
The cafe with Shark Tank?
Seal was like an angel when she was a baby. Never cried or anything. It's hitting hard now. And Leo has calmed down these days. Can you guys hear me? Or should I use my mic? So, Oppa, how has life in Korea been? How was the transition from Brisbane?
I feel home in Korea, you know. It has been our home for an extended period of time. Brisbane was great and it's been amazing. And we learned a lot. The city has given us so much blessing, but its soul is something else. Like South Korea is definitely, I feel organically home.
And we didn't feel that it would be home until we came back, because we actually thought we were gonna live in Brisbane. Like we thought the move to Australia was permanent. It is so hot in Korea right now. It's very humid. Yeah, as soon as I start talking, the kids will interrupt, so you guys have to get used to it. Yeah, how's the weather where you guys are? I know that it's like there's an extreme heat wave over in Europe and America right now. So to answer maybe some of you guys' questions, why did we move back to Korea after 2 years?
Oh, sorry, I'm just driving so much.
It's okay.
Slow. First and foremost, it was God who inspired us, and He's given us His impression that we must relocate, and the doors open.
We never thought about it. Like,
Yeah.
it literally came so randomly one day. William was mowing the lawn,
Yeah.
and then God just dropped it. And we had just bought a house, finished renovating it, finally finished settling in with our furniture and our kids, and we were doing homeschooling and everything.
Yeah. Not just an ordinary impression, it was with a sense of urgency. I had this ticking time stamp when I received the impression. I was like, oh, I think we need to move fast.
Yeah.
And we acted accordingly.
Yeah. And I felt peace about it straight away too, even though I had never thought about it. I really thought that God had called us to like die in Australia, like live until the very last breath there. But it happened to just be a season that He put us through, and we went through a lot there. We think that we've grown a lot, aged a lot, but also like God was working on our character, and He put us through a lot of hardship and a lot of training, isolation in a way as well. So just kind of like we grew our roots deeper or something. And we also had a break from how busy and hectic our life was in Korea, because you guys know we were so on the go. I was working, Will was working his ass off, I was working my ass off, and we were like just so busy. Here are the streets of Ilsan, and it's really beautiful. Like there's enough city, urban life and shops and everything that you need with nature. So yeah, we're in Ulsan now, not in Seoul, and we're loving it. Like it feels like we're in Australia. There's enough nature for me to feel really happy. Like in Seoul, it was really hard to find nature. You had to go to a park, like drive really far to go to a park and find like trees and grass. Cheonggyecheon was nice too, but it was not really real. Didn't feel real. Like man-made, kind of artificial. But here it feels like it's like kind of like a good balance. And I think God knows what we like best. So yeah, we're liking it. It's really family friendly too. Like it's really good for kids. Lots of parks and people are not so like materialistic focused. So it's really different from Seoul. Like I thought that Seoul represented Korea, but once we came here, I realized there's a lot to Korea that I don't know about, and there's a lot of different groups and cities and people. So yeah, right now we've been here for about a month. A month?
Oh, 2 months now.
Already?
Yeah.
Actually, the food is really good in Ulsan. Like, 맛집, they're everywhere. I forgot what I was saying because Sia was starting to tantrum and I had to turn the phone off. But what was I saying? There's so much to catch you guys up on. I didn't know where to start.
Combination of nature and the urban life.
Ulsan is nice. We're happy. We do go into Seoul though, and it's not that far actually. It feels like it takes sometimes shorter to go to certain places than when we live actually in Seoul, because when you're in Seoul, you're like on the road bumper to bumper a lot of the time, and there's so much traffic that it just takes like an hour to get somewhere. 30 minutes to an hour. So it's the same, except you're going on like a highway or a motorway, so it just feels less stressful to drive there. And there's just a lot more space, so the people who like having personal space and a bit more manners, people being more friendly and out of your business, then the culture of Ulsan seems to be very suitable. So I like it.
There's one big thing as well. You don't have to rely on the bank to buy on your property, so it's affordable. And yeah, affordable, but still convenient. Yeah.
But we never imagined it. We have no friends here either. Like, but we've bought a studio too. We are currently renovating it. It's all based in Ulsan, so I think our life is 5 to 10 times less stressful than it was when we lived in Seoul. Just the traffic and just the people
general,
and just
like
everything.
Look and feel of the city as well.
Pollution.
Like people are more relaxed and they are nicer because they are less stressed. The overall outline of the city is definitely more relaxed. So it's not like
Wider roads too.
Wider roads and more relaxed.
And they have a culture of like celebrating nature. So you'll see big expos and like kind of like the Bunnings of Korea is in Ulsan, and people do like plant expos and stuff like that, gardening things. So I like it. In our apartment we have everything. Underneath we've got a train station, we've got if they close at 12 o'clock, it's like a spa, massage parlor. We've got e-marts and all the groceries and clothing shops, and we've got like 5 hair salons and pharmacies, and we've got like everything that we need. We even have like Olive Young and Starbucks. So it's convenient, but also right next to us there's like paddocks with farms with the old Korean people still farming, and they sell their produce like on the streets. So it's not 완전 시골, which is like really country. So it's a really nice balance. Essentially that's an update about where we are, why we've come back to Korea, and I'm trying to do this while we're on the go because there's no other time for me to like just sit down and do this. It's the reality of my life now with 2 kids, and we do homeschooling and it's been working well for us. So yeah, is there anything that you guys are curious about? Let me know in the comments. I don't have a gauge of what you guys are wondering or thinking of, because I haven't posted for so long.
Okay, I'll get the bread ready.
Yellie's sleeping. Theo's just woken up. So this is the new Starfield. They opened like a month ago in COEX Mall, but hey, that library keeps going in there. looks like. Yeah, I need to put my mic on. Where did Blue go? Oh wow, look at that. Still another. That was amazing, guys. Leo, today's the last day that you're 5. What's inside? Really good.